Hey, what's up, y'all? Good morning. I just finished the trading day just now. I want to be going over the trades that I made today, so I'm not going to be showing you like the entire clip of me trading. I did record it, but I saw that it can be long and it can be pretty. I guess you'd rather not see me like just start mumbling about nothing. You actually want to see what's going on. So I'm going to show you the trades that I made yesterday, not the actual trades, but I'm just going to be showing the performance. So it was a really like shit day yesterday because it was just kind of like it was going one side when I predicted it to go short, so it was going just green, and because of that, I started losing a lot, and then I ended up recuperating all those losses, but it was just within single trades. So throughout the day, I've been just kind of like down. It was pretty bad, but luckily I was able to make single trades that just kind of it fixed it in the end, and then at the end I was profitable by 5,600. So overall, it was not a good day. At that point, I kind of just recognized that I shouldn't be trading. um, I should be limiting myself to the prop firm restrictions, so I can't lose more than $1,000 on the P&L. I can't be. Let's see. There's a max drawdown of 2,000. I remember, and you can't have more than 5 contracts. So this is like not a good representation of that. So that's why I did not upload yesterday. But for today, I decided to follow those rules. But at the very beginning, I fucked up because um I accidentally had my contract set to 10 still, so I didn't reduce it to 1. And because of that, like I lost immediately $3,800 off this trade. I was predicting that was going to keep going down because the volume spike in the red and a continuation of it, but it didn't end up doing so. So I ended up losing around oh yeah, it was 3,800. And then right here, I tried taking a trade because it looked like it was going to keep going up from here, as it just kept on increasing. But and I ended up fucking up again, and I broke even perfectly. So I didn't lose anything there. And then right here, as soon as I saw this bar, that's when I realized that the fact that it almost exceeded the previous bar, and the previous bar was almost double in volume, that shows that it's a really bearish area. So immediately I sold the next candle, and then I ended up gaining. I did 10 contracts again to sell it to gain everything. So in the end, I broke at 4,600 in P&L. And then from that point forward, I just kept on it was kind of consistent trades. So like right here, I kind of fucked that one up. I'm not sure what I saw here. I guess it was just the two candlesticks that were the really big red ones that made me like say, okay, I'm gonna go in, and it didn't end up going any lower. So I just kind of like I bought in there, and I just said, fuck it, I'm out. And I just waited to see like more confirmation on a single side, and I saw here that it's just been picking up more and more and more. So that's when I like decided to get in as soon as it broke like above on the volume. I went in and I got $405 from that one. And by the way, at this point I reduced it back to 1 contract. So like this is the last 10 contract that I sold. And right here, let's see, what did I see? I just guess I saw like continuing up. I didn't have a reason to sell until they got to this really big candle. That's when I sold, and so I got a good $235 profit from that. And then over here, let's see what I did. This green candle surpassed this red candle quite a bit, so I knew it was gonna go up right now. I bought it over here. Shoot, I have no idea what I did. Oh, okay, I think so. I think I know. Let's see. I guess it was just the fact that it was a smaller red volume than it was a green volume, so it looked like it was just gonna keep going up from that point. Plus, um, it closed shorter than the green, so that's why I bought in. So I got 160 P&L from that. This one was just a bad one. I have no idea what I did here. I guess I saw a really low volume on the green, so if anything, I would have shorted it. So I don't know why I didn't. This one though was a really good one. I like this one a lot. This one was because I saw volume picking up more and more. So and the red it surpassed the red, the pretty big red that was right here. So I decided to buy in, and it picked up really well. So I got a $475 profit from that. And then over here, I don't know why. I guess it's because the green volume was so small that I decided to go short with it, as I saw the only the reds were like actually getting any volume. So I went in and I took a short, and then the green actually went pretty high there. Luckily, I got out here. I didn't wait for confirmation because the red was actually quite a bit big. So I decided to get out, and then the green it took its area, and I thought it was gonna keep going up and up because it made quite a big candle, and then the volume was pretty high, so it was a green volume bar at that point when I bought in, and then it went right back down and it turned red, and I was like shit. So I decided just to leave it be, and then as soon as it kept going, like this really big one, I decided to short it, and then it was a bad decision. Lost 100 in that one. I lost 325 on that one, and it was just kind of like one after the other. Because whenever it comes to the market going sideways, I do really really bad. I tend to try to find a direction that it's going. So as soon as I see that it's retracing back up, I try to buy in. As soon as I see it go down like this, I try to sell, but it's never the case. It just keeps going, and I keep just taking little losses at a time. So this one was 160, 205, 340, 100. So I basically gave all my profits back. So at that point, like I had like around, I'd say almost 2K in profit, but then I ended up losing it to go to like negative, I'd say 300. And then finally, like I started making profit back. I started like recognizing that it really is just going sideways. So I made 145 there and 140 there. And right here, it got even worse with the sideways movement. Like I thought it was finally going up, breaking up. So like luckily I caught this bar because I saw that it was finally like kind of breaking out a little bit, especially with the volume. And so I bought in, got 160, got out because and the next bar was kind of like it made me a little more superstitious. This red bar came in, and then I made a 375 off this one. Mainly because the volume was going shorter on the green, and it looked like there was a reversal candle based off the doji. And this red one was really really nasty. So like, if anything, I should have bought another contract after that because it's like, or I guess I was just waiting to see how the next one would close because I wanted to make sure that the volume was shorter. If it did turn out to be green, but like in that case, as this was green, I should have just bought in right here, and then I would have been able to ride this up a little bit, but I didn't. And then right here, I thought it was gonna go down like immediately, but it didn't. So I sold right here, sold low, bought high. Got fucked up from that one, and then from that point, like I sold because I saw that it was gonna continue being red, but for some reason I couldn't hold it. Like I saw this going up and I got scared. So as soon as it got back down, I bought in. But then this one, like I saw it was going down, so I missed that profit right there. But it was alright because I still made like 160, seeing the downside. So I just kept going. This one, I don't know what I did here. I just broke even on that one. Right here, I made a jumbo of a mess. It was nasty. Like it was just profit after loss after profit after loss, and then oh, let's see, right here was a $55 profit. And then right there, I just decided to stop. I didn't feel like going because I just really did not know overall what direction the market was going to go. And I'm glad I didn't because right here it's just going more and more sideways. It's looking like a bull flag. But honestly, like I'm good with the trades. I'm done for the day. I really just don't want to trade anymore. So yeah, that's basically the summary of everything. Thanks for watching, yo. Take it easy. Bye bye.